What are the other applications where magnetic abrasive finishing can be used? A. Removal of oxide layers. B. Removal of protective coatings. C. Chamfering. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Which of the following come under the process parameters of the abrasive water jet machining? A. Abrasive size. B. Machine impact angle. C. Traverse speed. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Which of the following is an advantage of MAF over electrolytic finishing? A. Disposing of electrolyte. B. Cost effective. C. More flexible. D. More accuracy. The correct answer is disposing of electrolyte. Which of the following is not a process parameter of abrasive water jet machining? A. Frequency of vibration. B. Orifice diameter. C. Pressure. D. Standoff distance. The correct answer is frequency of vibration. For obtaining a better finish using magnetic abrasive finishing tubes are rotated at which speeds? A. Very low. B. Low. C. Medium. D. Very high. The correct answer is very high. State whether the following statement is true or false about magnetic abrasive finishing. Mirror finishing removed burrs with lowering the accuracy of the shape are achieved by MAF. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. State whether the following statement is true or false regarding MAF. As the forces exerted on the rollers are very small, polishing actions takes place very finely. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.